Hello everyone, it's 23 October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have on Army Commander's table proposal to raise Agniveer retention rate from 25% to 75%. Again, a very important news. Moving forward, we have to ensure a cleaner Yamuna on Chhat Puja. Haryana diverts Hathni Kund water into river. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Delhi is still very poor. Unaccounted sources contribute most to pollution. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have even unsaid words in WhatsApp message can promote enmity, says Allahabad High Court. Very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have Odisha government orders CBI probe into police, SI recruitment scam. Again, very important. Again, then we have not enough space in villages. These cattle herders live in caves for half the year. Very important news. Again, moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says the Pakistan problem. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have multilateralism isn't dead. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the best of us, the worst of us in an age of metrics and algorithms. Why we need more poetry in our lives. Very important for creativity perspective. Moving forward, we have Japan's first woman prime minister, socially conservative, China hawk. Very important for society perspective as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have what EPFO numbers reveal. Again, very important news. Then we have moving forward, we have ION Deepfake Center for Labeling of AI content on social media platforms. Very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have OpenAI launches Atlas. Why AI firms are betting big on web browsers. Very important for economy and science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page. Here we have Israel's parliament gives initial nod to annexation of West Bank land. Then we have Russia holds nuclear drills. Ukraine seeks Swedish fighter jets. Then we have Nepal town mourns students who died in Hamas captivity. And lastly, we have Bangladesh tribunal sends 15 serving army officers to jail. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.